Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's me Hassan Ahmed and I'm back after a long time and sorry for the delays. And today I'm here with another, very amazing project. This time we're gonna make a laser dodging project. Now you might be thinking, what's so special here, Hassan? Now I'm gonna teach you how to add special effects in drawing. So let's start right in. I'm gonna share my screen and let's go in. Here, I'm pretty sure you can see my screen, and let me move myself down here. Now, first we have a scratch cat. Now, most of you are thinking, should we use the scratch cat? I use it a lot in all of my projects, but this time, sorry, Scratchy, we're not going to be using it. So, now I'm going to go into paint, and I'm going to try to draw something like a ninja. Is like just bouncing over and off. I don't know, I'm not the best drawer, but I'm gonna try. First, I'm gonna try to take this this a paintbrush, and I'm gonna set it to like 6. Yeah, that'll be good. And this is gonna be black. Now I'm just gonna try to make a Among Us like. Let me just show you. Oh my god, I'm so bad at this. That is the best drawing ever. Wow, look at that. Look at the detail of that thing. That is the best drawing ever. Wow. I never thought I could make such a good ninja. So, wait. Now we can fill this up. And now we can just make the skin color. Now I don't really know how to, but that was just a guess. I did not think you could actually. That was just a guess, guys. That was mistaken. Now, wait, we have to change back to black. Now we're just getting the eyedropper. Go back to black and make the eyes. Now this guy actually kind of looks scared, but I'll go with what is it. I isn't just making. Man, make a circle. It's not making a circle for some reason. Wow, that is not making a circle. I don't know how. Okay, that made a circle, but that wasn't making a circle. Maybe it's too small. Wait. That is kind of strange, but I think I know what's happening here. Maybe we should just increase the size of this. Now I'm just gonna. Oh wow. Okay, I got it what it was. It was not on the front seat. Oh my god. So we have to go back to black, make a circle, take that, and uh that is perfect. Now we have the circle. And wait, I forgot to make the ribbon. Like every ninja has a ribbon. You can't say that nobody has. And this guy's kind of tilted, so I'm just gonna. Okay, that just makes it more. Like, I'm not the best shaper, so. Oh wow, it's so fat. Now I don't know if I made it any better, but we'll go with what it is. Now I'm just gonna take a thread. I'm just gonna paint a lovely little ribbon. Oh wow, that looks great. And wow. I don't look very stupid, but it's a game. Okay, game goes with what it is. Now, first of all, I'm gonna go here and just if in case you guys think I'm very messy, here's what I'm going to show you. I'm going to make it really simple here. First, I'm going to make a variable. This is very odd. but I'm gonna make a variable in the start. Now, first green flag click, then forever, then if then else. I'm gonna tell you in a second why we're gonna use the if then else. Next, delete this variable. You can do this by just right clicking it and deleting the variable. Now go to make a variable, and this time we're gonna make a variable gravity. So wait. Oops, I just put the answer here. Oh, oh my god, why am I keep pressing the S? Gravity. For this sprite only. And we're gonna need this sprite only because we're only gonna make this sprite go down. And we're just gonna put that. Now what we're gonna do is just if space key press. Now you can do space key, but I'm gonna go with the up arrow key because I'm really good at playing with up arrow keys, not down, left, or WSD. So now when up arrow, what should we do? Now, if you know anything, or if you in case don't know, we can just do the backdrop, and I'm gonna show you something that's really cool in this backdrop. It's loading up. This X grid, X, Y grid. Now we can see that Y is up to down and X is side to side. And that is very helpful with this backdrop. This is 100, this is minus 100. And the waveform of the left screen is 240 and here is minus 240 here and 240 here. And that is really helpful with this backdrop. Now we want to change by 1. We have to make it go up. Change 10. Let me check. Okay, that is great. And next, else. Else, what should you do? Since we're making gravity, we're gonna set gravity to at the start. Set gravity to what should we do here? 5 is fine, I think so. And then when else, change gravity. Oh, sorry, change y by. Oh, sorry, x no y by gravity. Now we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Oh dear me, I mistakenly done it, not 5, it's minus 5. Now let's see. It's falling and when you press up. Now this is actually quite slow, I don't know why. So we can just change it to minus 10. Now let's check. That is great, perfect. Oh, but that is actually too slow. That's too fast, but we'll go with it. It looks great. And now I actually see the ribbon is like looking pretty good when it goes up and down. But when you stop, it looks like it's wearing some like Arabic thing. I don't know what those things are called. But now we made our sprite and it can go up and down with gravity. Now we can just stop this and make the most easier code in the world. Like literally. We can just copy these ifs, put them down here, take 2 up arrow keys. Actually, this should be left and right. Left and right and left. And next we are going to do where's the this is already becoming laggy, so I don't know what it's gonna be at the end. So change x by and change x by which is 2. And right, we're seeing on the right is 240. So it will go like 1, 1. Change right by 5. But we see here, there's a minus. So when it goes, it's going to be minus 5. So if we go minus y, it will go down. Y, then it will go up. Minus x, then it will go this like left. And just no minus, then it's going to go right. Pretty simple. Now we're going to check. Yeah, that's pretty good, I'm not going to lie. Okay, that's great. But one thing I'm saying, like, it doesn't look really, cool when we're doing this. So I just gonna show you one animation here. I'm just gonna take all of this and just duplicate it and then just turn it slightly. And of course, we have to turn the ribbon. Oh, that is not great. Hmm? Oh my god. Wait, we have to like delete it. Now we have to turn the ribbon. Yeah, now that's what I'm talking about. Now it's gonna there. That's what I'm talking. So now it's just gonna be there, and the next one is gonna come on, and the next one is gonna be down here, and it's swinging to the right. Oh my god, the eye is missed. Like the eye is very small. I don't know how it gets missed. And that is great. Actually, it should look over there too. I think so. It should go a little like that. That's great. Now what do we have to do here? One arrow key pressed. Oh, sorry, one right arrow key pressed. Then we have to change it to costume 2. And duplicate this and change it to costume. What the heck? And when it starts, I want to go into the center. So we don't like start right at the bottom, just above set gravity. Now let's see. Now it's moving perfectly. But the thing is like, there's no like central. So when we're going down, we should like become costume 1. Now let's see. Now that is smooth. Smooth. I really like it. But the thing is like, this backdrop is not looking that cool. Yeah, it is helpful, but when you got all the X positions and Y positions, you should really delete it. It does not suit the game. So go in backdrops and click backdrops up here. Then delete the X grid. It was very helpful, but we don't need it now. Now make a, okay, I'm really bad at this, but make a backdrop. Now I can't make it black or it will hide the whole player. Wait, what does that look like in real life? I want to see that. Oh wow! You can't see. Okay, so I want a like a lighter color of black, where you can just see the player. I can see the player, but I like black, dark. That's great. Now let me check it. Oh yes, but the thing here now is like it's not that cool. I want like a snowy backdrop, like this snow. And I want it black, but we can't do it black. Just everything should be fine. I don't know. Let me see. Now it is not fine. It looks like a turbine and a couple of eyes just floating. Saturation. That makes it gray. Gray is a great color. Yep, that is good. But next we need the ground. We can make a ground, but that will like. Okay, I got an idea. So first we're just gonna make a black ground. Oops, wait, what's that doing back there? Delete that. Now make it big. Now we need the ground and I don't know which color should I do, so oh my god, I just screwed it. Gray is fine, but which backdrop? I'm gonna think, I'm sorry, which ground? Come on, leave it. Now I'm thinking of like, that's gonna be fine. Now let me go in the ground and just make right. It's a gray color. You have to be kidding me. Yeah. That is a great one, but it's a little big. Like, look on the costume. It's a little big. Oh my. I'm selecting this and just selected something else. And that's fine. Now we want a code that makes the like I can't really do it here, but makes the player balance on the ground. And for that, we have to copy this and delete this. You won't believe it, but we actually have to use what do we call? We have to use a sprite actually here and paste it. It's exactly the same, but with a twist. This should be on the back row. So when green flag click, it should be on the back row. Go to back layer. Now we can just see, and okay, now we know it's not hiding the sprite. And we need to go here and create another. Just take all of this and we have to change a lot of things. Actually, we have to change everything. We just have to put the forever there. So it would just fine if we could call all again. But you can do it my way too. So now we should, not stop getting off, like to wait here when we're touching the ground, right? Well, yes, we should. But here is the problem. We have to do a lot of code, but here we are doing gravity minus 10. That means gravity is repeatedly getting us down. So there is actually no. But did you know on Earth there's another force that pulls you up? Yes. And we're gonna put that exact force into Scratch, that when it hits, it just goes up. It does not go down. And that will be the perfect, like gravity is getting down and it's going up. So when touching sprite 2, that is this. Actually, we should actually rename these guys because it's kind of hard. I'm gonna layer and I don't know, ground or level. Yeah, level. Now we got proper names. If touching level, then what should we do? Move Y by 10 steps. Let's try it. That is so smooth, man. I was actually hoping it would work and it worked very good. Like now we are going down, boom. Because if we just change it like 9, we'll start to go down. It should be the like perfect one. If we do like over it 11, then it's gonna bounce up and down like that. We can do this if we want a trampoline, like we can just jump like how much a trampoline jumps up, I don't know. I may have to search that when I end this video, but let's see. 18, and when we jump on the trampoline it goes up, but that really wastes time. So right now we're making a simple, so 10, and that is great. So if you wanted to actually do it in a backdrop, it would be very hard to touch the color because it's not gonna work. Half the time it does not work. Now one thing I'm seeing is when I'm touching ground here, like we can't just fly up. We need a jetpack. So we should do when touching level, then costume 1. And when we're also falling down, it should be costume 1. But when we're going up, there should be like some animation that there's like fire coming out, and it will be like he's wearing a jetpack. So let's just do this. And now we are just gonna try to make a jetpack that I'm not really good at. But here's a trick up our sleeve. If I really had sleeves, like I do have, but sometimes they be sleeveless. So yeah. Now we are just gonna go costume and we're gonna go animals. I don't know if a dragon is an animal. Confirmed. Now I didn't know you can do that. Now we just delete everything. Like literally delete except the fire. I think you already know where this is going. Now we have the fire. Now we can just copy this and delete this. This is a very crucial part, so make sure to copy this. Now go in the costume 4 sprite. Why the costume 4 so up? Costume 4 sprite. Now paste 2 times. And then just rotate it up like this. fire. And now we can just put it one there. Like, now I have to make a jetpack. Really? I don't know, man. I don't know. But one thing I think so can do, I can just put like these one also. Oh my god, we have to do this too. This can take long. So you just have to tilt it, tilt it. Then we have to paste, and then just tilt it. This is actually quite time consuming, so it will be very time consuming if I had to make the fire, so you can do it your way. But now we're going up and down, up and down, up, and now we're going. Now here's the problem. We are just levitating in midair. That is not good. That's because the fire is one of our sprites. And wait, fire is actually one of our sprites. So it touches and we can glide in midair. This might be some cool effect if you want in your game, but for mine, no. So we're just gonna take this. Wait, first we have to do when it's touching, then we have to go costume 4, right? Now let me see. Most people actually don't want to fly near the ground, so it's not going to be a bug that people will realize. So it's okay. But next thing, what was this game called? Wait, I actually don't remember. Oh yeah, it was called the laser dodging game. Where are the lasers? We can fly here all day. Okay, maybe it went to outer space, but we can fly here all day long. So now let's go into the paint sprite. And as I told you, I'm not good at painting, so let's do this. Now first I'm gonna take, wait, I needed gray for this. Now, wait, black is going to be great. And if you're wondering what I'm right now doing, just watch. You have to make with me. Here is a beautiful laser injector. And then we can just take this whole thing and just copy and paste it and then put it over here and then horizontally flip it. And that is beautiful. The next thing is duplicate these both and make a laser between them. Now you can just make a red laser, but it's gonna take time, but you can follow me step by step. Now first make a red. And then and there. That is a pretty straightforward laser. But what I'm about to do here is that I'm going to take this and just take the eraser and cut it in half. You might be saying, why did we do that? Just watch. This is going to take a lot of time. Now we're just going to duplicate this and make an animation. And just there and there. It's coming up and it's shooting laser there. Oops. And there. Last one maybe? Yeah, last one. And there and there. There. Now we have a full laser. So it's gonna start like this. It's gonna go here, here, oops, from oh. Gonna go here and here, here. Yeah. It's gonna go here and here, here, and boom. And then we can't like fly through this, yeah. Okay, it's actually behind. It's actually on behind. So yeah. So when green flag click, oops, not spacebar, green flag click, then what should we do? Go to back layer. That is very simple. Go to back layer. Now let's see by testing it. When we go right here, We can go ahead of it. Now, what do we want to do? Let's start. We have to not go to costume 5. Just to check, you can see like we're ahead. Now, costume 5, no. Costume 1, when it's out, it's not there. So now, it's just not gonna stand there, but that is gonna be later. But first, we need to see what to do. So when costume 1 is done, then forever, not foreverly, repeat. Now we should go up here and count how many costumes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will repeat 5 times. Repeat 5. Wait 0.1 seconds. And then what should we do? We should put a next costume. Now let's check if this works. That is smooth, man. That is. Did I get hit by a laser? That is smooth. Now what should we do? It should go in a random position. But here's the problem with this. That is not what we want, right? So we just need to like go it up and down. So what can we go here? Now we know its position. We can just do that. Go to random position, pick random. This is very helpful block. From where you can see the Y value. Y is up and down. From 118, 108, 18, there, to minus 83. Minus 83. Now let's check. It should go to random position. So what we're doing is go change X, actually set X, and we need a forever loop over here. If this doesn't work, I have an okay, it should not be set X. You can already see. It should be set Y. Set Y. Wait, now it's gonna work. Yeah, we don't need that, but we might need it. Wait, that is wrong. That is really wrong. Yeah, here, now. Oops. Oh yeah, it could go and it can go. This is actually quite. That is quite the. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. There's no way I'm okay. Now that is already fun. I know. But here is red, and I told you touching colors is a very bad. So we could just make this in the backdrop, but that would be a disaster. So thank God we make it here. Now we can just do this, the same thing if touching, but now sprite one, we should make an appropriate name, laser. And okay, that's good. And then when touching laser, we should not bounce up, like literally, that would look very bad. So instead, we should just wait, laser, we should just call it a day and just say, where is this? Where is this? Stop all. And that is just so simple. And we just died already. Wow. Oh, this is actually quite slow. I'm not. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That is stuff. That is stuff I was about to say. But that doesn't really make what I was like. But so now we're going to go in backdrops and make a game over screen. First, I like when it's going to fade out and then make a back. So we can just here and just make another backdrop behind this. Sorry, that will be tough. And we can make it just a red, bright red. Oops, bright red. And we can put the, seriously, we can just put the gray ahead of this, but it surely won't go ahead. Now it. So what do we want it to do? So when it's gonna like fade out, it show a game over screen. So first we have to write game over this because yeah. So first we have to go in the text and then we have to go in black, and the cool thing here in Scratch is we can make any. I like marker view moves. Pretty simple, back forward and there. There. And it should come in front, but that's coding. So we'll get to that in a little more while. And this, my friend, should go back. That's a common mistake. But not back, then the red backdrop. So get that in mind. And then the second backdrop should be a little faded out. So how do we do that, you ask? Well, no problem. Don't worry. We should just make like this. Like this is a crackling open. We can see the red right now. And then we're just going to squiggle some lines. And then we're just going to squiggle some more. And then we're just going to delete it. Delete. And delete. And delete. And delete. And delete. And delete. And this is going to take a while. So copy that. Be sure not to delete any of the red. Oh my god, this is so tough. Delete. Delete. Oh, wow, this is actually tougher than I thought. And this is very, oh my god, now it's on the text. And there be sure for little particles. Oops, I forgot a particle right there. That's a very smart. And now you can might see, you can might make this, crack, like it will show the cracks that we made, but in my game I don't want that. So we will go here in the first crack, and then we're gonna just wait. We're just gonna take the eyedropper and make it red. Now we can, oh shoot. And now we can go here. First thing we need to do is make this red. 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 Now this needs painting, I'm pretty sure. And you might be asking why? Because this is a strange thing. We can only feel like we can't do this in Scratch, but I don't know how. Oh my god. You know what? Let's just cover over the text. I'm gonna do that thing later. Over the text, just squiggle some lines. In those gaps. Ooh, this is actually a pretty long process, but if you have a good mouse cursor that doesn't slip, it's gonna be very easy. That was tough. Now we have a full red backdrop, and then we have to select this all and make it backwards. And that is simple as pie. But now what do we do? Like here, and boom. You lost. So first when we begin here, we need to go to costume 1. That's just the beginning. There. Which one is costume 1 anyway? Oh, now I get it. We're in the, okay, now. Oops, now. When green flag click, then what should we do? Now, right now, we first need the first backdrop 5. Sorry, 1. Now, when we start, now we don't know exactly when it's gonna hit, so we can't wait. But we have a really useful block in the events category when I receive message and broadcast message. So when I die, broadcast message, we should not make the stopper, then broadcast message die. Now we are gonna go in the latest, the state sprite. One receive die, repeat, is the clever one, 5 times, and come in front of all of the sprites. Now we really can't do that because there is no any here. So we can just take this, duplicate this, and take it in the backdrop. And now we have the. So go to front layer. And if it doesn't go, that didn't happen, go to front layer. Like go to the front of all, it should be. Get this out of the way. So get in front of the all and then repeat 5 times. Next backdrop, 0.1 seconds, and then stop all. This is a little animation, so I'm just gonna full screen it in. So it didn't really come in front of us, I think. So 4 first, let me see. Come in front of 1? No. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It should come in front of 3 actually. 3. Now let's see. Oh. 3. Go forward, go forward. 3 layers. Go. Now that is actually pretty good animation. Or you can make it go forward like the first one was fine. Like where is it? Where is it? Here. Now we got this and just go to front layer. That is a great one. Now we literally made the what how? I didn't. We literally just made the whole game. You can polish it, you can make it shoot things, you can do anything you like. But I'm pretty much like here. And be sure to, if you ever make this, be sure to share it to me in the comment section below. And I'm gonna see in the next video, see which one of yours project is the best. I'm gonna shout out to him. And this is the whole ninja project. You can make it shoot projectiles, and while dotting the lasers, they can be vertical lasers, whatever you like. But I'm gonna end it here. Thank you. And if you want to see more of these kind of videos, check hassanhamid.com. I'll be waiting for you on the next Sunday. So scratch on.